Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RR6925WO. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your vacuum cleaner is not holding a charge, you're likely facing a battery issue. This can occur due to age, wear and tear, or even overheating during use. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, making your vacuum cleaner unusable and less efficient. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery for the Rowenta RR6925WO, and a pair of gloves for safety. First, ensure your vacuum cleaner is turned off and unplugged. Start by locating the screws that secure the body of the vacuum cleaner. Carefully remove them using the Phillips screwdriver, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing with the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any clips or connectors. Now that you have access to the interior, locate the battery. It is usually situated near the base of the vacuum cleaner and may be connected by wires. Take note of how the battery is connected, as you'll need to replicate this during reinstallation. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling on the connectors. Be careful not to tug too hard to avoid damaging the wires. After the old battery is removed, take your new replacement battery and connect it to the same terminals, ensuring a snug fit. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new battery is securely connected, carefully close the casing of the vacuum cleaner, ensuring all clips are aligned and the screws are in place. Then, reinsert the screws and tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping the screws. To verify that everything is working correctly, plug in your vacuum cleaner and allow it to charge for a few hours. After charging, test it to see if it holds the charge properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, try to avoid letting the battery completely drain before recharging, and store your vacuum cleaner in a cool, dry place. Regular maintenance can also help extend the life of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.